So let's start right now by creating a brand new game in Scratch 3.0. So I will click to start creating. It is very important to sign in to log in to Scratch. So please go right here and sign in with your username and password. If you don't have username and password, then please register to Scratch, because if you are signed in, then you can share your project. You can save your project inside your cloud host in Scratch, so you can then use it again, open it and use it. So I will start right now by creating a new game. So you can click here, File, New File. Then Scratch will create a brand new project, and I will name this project the Scary Shark Game. So I will have a very scary shark that will eat other fish inside the ocean, and each time that the shark eats another fish, then the score will increase. But if our fish is eaten finally by the shark, then we are going to lose one life. So let's start right now. I will not use this cat, so you can go right here, click this X button, and the cat will disappear. So then go right here and add a new sprite. So I will choose a sprite. I will go right here. As you can see, there are a lot of sprites. Actually, there are categories right here, and also you can search right here what do you want to use. So I will add a shark. I will add this shark. So if you can go your mouse right here and hover above the image, then you can see all the animations that are included inside this sprite. So I will use this shark right here, and then I will try to add a backstage to my game. So I will go here, choose a backdrop. I will click right here, and exactly in the same way, there are a lot of backdrops. There are also categories right here, so you can see what you would like to use. I will use something like, I will try to use sea, no, ocean. Okay, this is perfect. Underwater one. So I used underwater one. So this is my shark in underwater. So I will start right now. My shark will move with my mouse. So I will tell to this shark that when the flag is clicked, so go to the events and then drag and drop when flag is clicked. Then go to looks and use the no, sorry, here to looks and drag and drop. So the shark will be in the stage, and then I would like to change to set size to 50%. So okay, so now it is a small shark right here, and then I would like to say that forever if drag and drop if the distance this is if the distance, so go to sensing, distance to mouse pointer and drop it here. If the distance to mouse pointer is greater than 10, so go to operators and choose this one and drag and drop it right here, and then get distance to mouse pointer right here is greater than 10, then go back to motion and change and point towards mouse pointer, exactly right here. And then I would like to move 10 steps. So let's go and see what we did. As you can see, wherever is my mouse, the shark is going towards my mouse. Okay, so I will stop it right now, and then I will go and add another sprite that will be a fish. So let's type here fish. I will add this one. So I add this fish, and I want a smaller fish, so I will use this one. No, sorry. I will change the size right here to 50. So this is a smaller fish, and then I will program it so that it can swim inside my ocean. So I will tell to my fish that when to the events when the flag is clicked, then forever go to control, forever, then go to motion. I would like to turn, but not 15 degrees. I would like to turn, and I will use I'll go right here to operators and pick random from -15 to 15 degrees, and then go back to motion and click move. I will move, not 10, I will use something smaller, 8 steps for example, and then if on edge bounds. So let's try right now, and I will see, okay, you can see that my fish is moving fast. So if you would like to have something that will move not so fast, then go and change then to 5 steps for example, and try again. Then you will see that the fish is not moving very fast. So what I'm going to do right now is I would like to change the behavior of the shark, that when is close to this fish, he will open his mouth and eat this fish. So I will stop my game for now. I will go back to the shark, and I will change a little bit my code right here. So I will program the fish. I will click to the fish to have some additional commands right here. So we'll change the behavior of the fish. I will click to the events and I will click another when flag is clicked. So I will have two separate behaviors for this fish. I will use a variable. I will use a variable that I will name it score for all sprites. When score is 0, then I would like to be shown. Sorry, I would like first of all when flag is clicked to set variable, set score to 0. Again, then forever, I will go to control forever. If the fish now go to sensing, if the fish touches shark, so please click shark right here. If the fish touches shark, then I would like to broadcast message 1, but I would like to change the message and do it fish eaten. This is a message fish eaten, so it will be broadcasted this. It will broadcast this fish eaten message, and then I would like to change the score. Change the score by 10. Change score by 10. Then I would like to disappear because this fish is eaten by the shark. So I would like to go to looks, and then I would like to be hidden. So then it will wait for maybe 2 seconds. So control, no, I would like to go to looks. So I will go to the events, and then to the control, and then I will wait for 2 seconds, and I will go to X, will be for example minus 200, but I would like to be in a random position, so I will go back to the operators and click pick random, drop it right here to the Y, and pick random from minus 180 to 180, minus 180 to 180, and then I would like to be shown. So go back to motion and click to to looks and click to show. So now let's go. Game is started, and up, score increased by 10, and this is again the fish. Score is 20, right? 40, 50. Okay, so let's go back. I would like to add another fish. I would like to add a toxic fish. That if the shark eats this fish, then the shark loses. We lose inside the game, in the game. So we will use that shark. We will use a toxic fish, and we will add some more fishes inside our ocean. So all these we will go on with all these in the next lesson. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next lesson.